I used to remind uButhulani ukuthi when awacishwa ngifake enkingeni when I was in primary school. Ngithi yakhumbula, you guys, you were discussing, there was something happening in South Africa. I don't know, there was a debate about abortion, right? But now I'm not gonna be asking, I'm only eavesdropping. I'm not gonna ask questions, otherwise ngizothola impama bese fanele ngiye kwi Commissioner ka Goldstone, yabo. So we avoid that. I will listen. And the way they used to speak in codes. But ngalithola legama lika abortion, ngalibamba. Kwathi the following day, he was about to go take a bath, I think. Ngathi, Buthulani, what is abortion? He was taken aback. What, Yazin, abortion is a deep word. It's a bombastic word. It means to clean yourself. You know, when you go clean thoroughly. Right now, I'm going to go take a bath. I'm going to do abortion. Manje ushenjweni. Usho enjweni, uNombuso is confident and very assertive at a very young age. And I remember I was in standard 1, which is now grade 3. There was a subject called e-health. Wabuza go, ma'am, what do you do when you wake up in the morning? There goes Nombuso. Ngoba vele ngagisiqenqa. Yes, Ngomezulu. I wake up every morning, I open the windows so that the fresh air can come in. I make my bed, and then I go and do abortion so that I can come to school. Watu meme, Ngomezulu. What do you do? And I repeated the word. Why? Because I'm confident. Because I know what my brother knows everything. I do abortion. What? No, you don't use that word. Like, oh, okay. And I ngaphindele emva ne feedback kuButhulani ukuthi I don't think ma'am understands the word abortion, you know. All right. Initially, when I started varsity, I studied law because I was influenced by him, inspired by him. I did my first year. I'm too much of a left brain person. I'm more of a creative. I did typical arts, you know. Even my mercantile law professor said to me, you know what, you're doing well in this course, but you're still young and you're very energetic, and I see your mind is not here. How about you go to TUT Arts Campus, apply, do something, do drama, do fashion, do fine arts, whatsoever. One day when you wake up, when you grow up, you're gonna come back to law. I told uButhulani, okay, sengizofunda fashion. Nomzoyi. Oh, actually, he used to call me Zondile. Believe it or not, I used to be skinny, but now I'm not. But that name stuck, you know, since ever. And you know, man, yeah, but now we were gonna work together. We were gonna conquer the world. We were gonna. Yes, yeah, but at least long I funda nomuna 50 man. I just wanna do fashion, and then. After fashion, I did marketing, and then I told them, okay, now I've got another NQ level 7 in my bag. I thought you were going to go back to law. No, there's still time. I can still do it, you know. So he was very inspirational. I worked a lot in the entertainment and media industry. There was a dispute in my first ever job I got. And a very well-known person attacked me. And my brother was handling my case. Yeah, we're gonna sue him to his bones. Yaphuma indaba emaphepheni. Yo, baba omkhulu wakhe wathi, "Hey Nombuso nadanana man. obe ubaba bekambiza Danana. Nombuzo na Danana sebefuna ukwenza umsindo. Baba ke bayengazwani ngomsindo. Athi afuna ukwenza umsindo. Ngithi mina kodwa baba ngisuke lathi wena utheni? Ngithi ngimethukile. Angithi naye bekangithuka. Athi hey, you're not innocent. So we had to just stop this whole case because besekhulumile ubaba. So if there is a afterlife indeed, I was thinking, okay, how did these men sit down, Bobaba Mncane Zakhele, Bomkhulu Joseph, and decide ukuthi, let's take the last generation X of men, Gamgome Zulu. Because now, maungathi aksugume, all men bagwamgome Zulu, endlini kaNamhlanga, kaJosepha, othi nje Mgome Zulu. I think even nalaba abanye bobaba omncane, akekho oyi-Gen X. Everybody's a millennial. Everybody is born in the 80s. And I'm like, how did they sit down and discuss and said, okay, Danana is ready now, we can have him, you know? But nonetheless, it is intando kaNkulunkulu, right? And then I was not happy when I saw certain people celebrating. And then I remembered amazwi kakhe ubabomkhulu kaButhulane, my dad. He said, he used to say icala liboli. And trust me, ungona ngoJanuary and behave the entire year. Lapha yokubamba khona ngoNovember, ngoDecember, ngoSeptember. And thola ukuthi into encane engaka. Mase bebuza ukuthi ukushayeleni babakho kanje. Omisi ba complainile bathi ngiba ngumsindi eklasini. Kanje? No, usekubalele wonke lamacala ngoba icala liboli, angithi. So remembering even a case ka O.J. Simpson, he was acquitted for his ex-wife's death, ex-wife and her boyfriend's death. Indeed, apparently by default. I don't know how I remember this information because I was very, very young. By default, he was acquitted because the glove could not fit. Okay, good for him. Even though inkomba eziningi, they were pointing at him, apparently. Remember, I heard this information from my brothers. Ongiphikisayo angihlangene nangoThulane ulelela nguye phela engixoxela. So, he was acquitted indeed. However, later in the years, lapha se relaxe khona, waboshelwa into simple, armed robbery, and you're thinking this is a sportsman. Bekadakwe yini seselento eseyo, you know, armed robbery. So I'm going back to icala liyakulandela noma ungathi siyabonga uMgome Zulu usehambile. If you are able to be acquitted on this, trust me, isiZulu sisho something about angazi the blanket ingene icala, something like that. Oh, livula icala lingene. Oh, icala livula ingene. Okay, it's fine. But you get what I'm saying, sorry. So in closing, Proverbs 24 verse 24 says, a judge who says to the wicked, you are innocent, will be cursed by many people and denounced by the nations. I don't think idinga nokutolikwa, because the wicked can do as they please. We have the wicked everywhere, in every field. I'm not saying ukuthi khona okwenzakalayo ningizwe kahle. I'm just making an example. And in Landela, Proverbs 24 verse 24. Should anybody rejoice ukuthi yeah, tina siyazi we are untouchable. One day God will touch. If a person goes on social media to say, halala tina sithintwa, guess what? We serve a living God. uNkulunkulu okusalayo siyazi ukuthi akahambi yedwa akagcini yedwa la. Kusasa ngimi sasa nguwe. Indlela yonke yethu indlula la. So we cannot be rejoicing ukuthi khona ohambile, and we cannot be deterred by the wicked. We cannot be deterred by witches and wizards just because, oh my gosh, they're writing certain things. Because even the law itself cannot be deterred by the devil himself.